Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy the S&P 500 right here on MetaTrader 5. And if you want to do this, you need to know that right now the market is closed, but normally when you are doing this, you can buy it by yourselves. But what we're going to do right now is we select right here, show symbols. And then what you go to do is go to NASDAQ ETF and search right here for SP 500. Then right now, if you fill in just the 5, you see right here which one you can use. Let's say we want to use the SP 500 or the standard, but we want to use this one. So then from now, what you need to do is select here, show symbol. So make sure that he is now popping up right here in our market watch list. If you don't have this market watch list right here, you go to view and then enable it by clicking here on market watch. But after that, what you need to do is throw this to the chart. And then right now you see right here the chart. And if you want to create yourselves a position, you go here to new order, select here how much you want to buy. Then right here, create a stop loss or take profit on it. And then after that, click here on buy by market. But right now the market is closed, so we are not available to create ourselves a position. But this is how you can buy the S&P 500 right here on MetaTrader 5. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment them below. And then from now, ciao.